Hello everyone, welcome to sewing class. My name is Audrey and I'm your teacher. Today we're going to continue working on making our water bottle bag. In fact, what we're going to work on today is making this very long handle. Another name for this handle, we call this a shoulder strap. Shoulder strap. Why shoulder strap? Well, this and this, these are our shoulders. And when we put on our water bottle bag, we put it on our shoulder. So once again, we will now call this our shoulder strap. Today, I will show you how to make it, and you will hear me say, fold, 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 pin and sew. Again, listen for fold, 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 pin and sew. When you're finished, you will have a nice long shoulder strap for your water bottle bag. Let me show you how to make the shoulder strap. I have with me my long piece of fabric, my needle and thread, and some pins. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the bottom edge of the fabric right to the top edge of the fabric and then press it flat with your hands. When you're finished, you will have a line in the center of your fabric. We will call this the center line. Now we're going to take the bottom edge of the fabric and we're going to fold it to the center line and then just press it flat like before. Okay, open it up. Now you have one line and you have two lines. Now we're going to take the top edge of our fabric and fold it to our center line. And again, we're just going to press it flat with our hands. There we go. And we open it up. We now have 1, 2, and 3 lines in our fabric to help us. Now it's time to fold, fold, fold. Let me show you. We're going to fold up, we're going to fold down, and we're going to fold together. I will show you again. Fold up to the center line, fold down to the center line. Now fold together. It should look the same on both sides. Take your pins and put pins in your fabric to hold it together for you. Move your fabric down and continue. Continue to fold up, fold down, and fold together. Once you have all your fabric folded and pinned together, it's now time to get our needle and thread and sew. Now I have one here that I have been sewing already, and you will see that I have been sewing it by hand. I have my needle and thread, and I have been sewing it with a back stitch. So we're going to bring our needle and thread up. We're going to bring it back to us, and we're going to put it in the same hole. And then we're going to pull it down. We're going to bring it up, leave a space, bring a thread back, put it back beside the same hole and bring it down. Again, needle up, needle down. I'm going to take out the pin, and there we go. So if you're using the back stitch, it's going to look like this. You will have thread on both sides. Now, of course, if you have a sewing machine at home, you can sew it by sewing machine. This part I have sewed on my sewing machine. You also have thread on each side. So whichever way you sew it, by machine or by hand, it will look beautiful. So once you are finished your shoulder strap for your water bottle bag, you are ready for next time. See you soon.